In this step-by-step guide, we will learn how to transfer data directly from ClickUp 3.0 to a Telegram chat. Enjoy watching! Create advanced automations with flexible logic, an AI assistant with JavaScript, and headless browser for ultimate control. Save up to 30 times compared to other competitors. Registration is straightforward. Sign up today with no credit card required and start creating automations that save you time and money. Transform your workflow with Latenode.com. Let's start by creating a new scenario. We'll call it ClickUp Telegram. And add the first node, ClickUp. We will use ClickUp authorization to track the addition of a new task. Let's create the authorization. Authorization is very simple. Just connect the workspace. All set. Now let's configure the node. Specify the workspace, space, folder, and list. Now let's add the Telegram node. Choose the action, send a text message or reply. Let's configure Telegram node. Create the authorization. Connect it. And in the chat field, use the link to our chat. Now, to transfer data from ClickUp to Telegram, we need to save and run the project. Go to ClickUp and create a new task. Write new task in description. New task, new description. Check it. ClickUp grab the data. Check it. New task, new name. Everything is working. Now, we need to input this data into the Telegram node. Here are our fields. New task, new name. Enter the name here. New task, new description. Enter the description here. Save it. Save the project. And run the node again. Go back. Check it. New task, new description. Done, we have set up data transfer from ClickUp to Telegram. Thanks for watching.